Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how you can monitor your Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, let's begin. There are many monitoring software that comes for Mac, but I personally use and prefer iStatistica Pro. Download the software from the link and install it as you do for any other software. Open iStatistica from the application folder or Launchpad. If you want to purchase the app, click on Buy Now, otherwise continue with trial. Now, click on Settings, and if you want to open this monitoring software logging, just enable the option. And if you want to know your temperature of CPU, you'll need to download the sensor plugin. For downloading, simply click on Download Sensor Plugin and it will be downloaded automatically. After downloading, install it. After installing the sensor plugin, open it and enable I/O plugin. After enabling, click on Close. Now, go to iStatistica Settings Appearance tab. From here, you can select what you want to display in the menu bar. You can set alerts from the Alert tab, and moreover, you can monitor your Mac over remote. Just enable the option, and you're done.